sometimes with friends, through valleys and hills, join the band. Dragon riding is next on my list. Mountains are cold, covered with mist. Every year all the bikers will come from all over the world. It's heaven to song. It's the start of a new year and spirits are high. The sun, the rain, the land and the sky. It's a pleasure to ride and enjoy the earth. Bikers feel free and it starts at birth. Meet at places wherever we can, like rallies and races. Motorbikes are more than rubber and steel. They're part of you and how you feel. They relax you and wake the spirit inside. They're a real big pleasure, not just to ride. I'm really glad to be one of the type you get so much pleasure from my motorbike. It's the start of a new year and spirits are high. The sun, the rain, the land and the sky. It's a pleasure to ride and enjoy the earth. Bikers feel free and it starts at birth. It's the start of a new year and spirits are high. The sun, the rain, the land and the sky. It's a pleasure to ride and enjoy the earth. Bikers feel free and it starts at birth. Bikers feel free and it starts at birth. Bikers feel free and it starts at birth.